Ready to unlock a world of awesome in Roblox with that gift card burning a hole in your pocket? Let's dive into how to redeem it directly from your phone. First, make sure you have the Roblox app installed on your phone. If not, head to the App Store or Google Play Store and download it. Once you've got it, tap the icon to open Roblox. Now, look at the top of your screen. You should see your current Robux balance. We're going to add to that. Tap the three dots located at the bottom of your screen. This will open up the More menu. Scroll down until you find the gift cards option. Right above Settings, tap on it. On the gift card page, you'll see a big button that says Redeem Card. Tap that button. This is where the magic happens. Now, gently scratch off the protective coating on the back of your Roblox gift card to reveal the secret code. Be careful not to scratch it too hard. Carefully type the entire code into the text box on your screen. Double check that you've entered it correctly to avoid any errors. Once you're absolutely sure the code is correct, tap the Redeem button. Boom, you should see a confirmation message showing that your Robux has been successfully added to your account. Check your Robux balance at the top of the screen. You should see the new Robux added on. Now go treat yourself to some awesome new avatar items and game passes. Happy gaming!